Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and welcome to everyone in Camp Booster with Diya Shehzadi. I welcome to all of you in the Camp Booster channel to increase or to boost your chemistry. We are learning about the chemistry and in the study of the 9th class course, we are learning about the third chapter, that is the periodic table and the periodicity of the properties. Here is the last topic that we were discussed in the today's lecture, that is the electron negativity. After these lectures, we were discussing about the electron negativity, electron shield, are the nucleus and the different atomic size, atomic radius and the different properties that varies in the periodic table and make it distinguishable from the other periodic table that was designed from the other scientists. Let's move towards our lecture. Electron negativity. Electron negativity is the ability of an atom to attract the shared pair of electron toward itself in a molecule. When we talk about the molecule is consists of the two atoms. One atom is like a electropositive atom and the second atom is electronegative atom. And the atom that will attract the shared part of any electron from the other side towards itself, this will call the property of the electronegativity. It's a very important factor in the bonding, that is in the type of the covalent bonding, not in ionic bonding, not in a pure ionic bonding or not a coordinate covalent bonding. So this will topic considerable in the case of the covalent bond when the atoms are shared between the two atoms, when the compound is formed by the sharing of the electrons. So the electronegativity is a property of any element that will consider when the covalent bonding is. Here we can see that the periodic table will consider the elements that have the electronegativity difference between the atoms, and this will be caused by when the covalent bonding is present, where the partially electropositive and then partially electronegativity charge are present on the atoms. When the pure covalent bond, non-polar covalent bond is formed, that are only shared by the equal sharing of the both atoms, the electropositive atom as well as the electronegative atom. But in the ionic bonding, there is a cation and the anion. The charge or the size of the cation is smaller and the anion is higher than the cation. So the charge difference is a more considerable in this case. So the partially electronegative or the partially positively charged that is assigned towards the covalent bond that make it distinguishable towards the ionic and the pure non-polar covalent bond. So the electronegativity difference will make the atoms to share to attract the more positive part or the more negative part towards itself to make a electronegative atom. How in the periodic table its trend, how it will increases in the groups or as well as in the periods. How to discuss this? Let me explain that the how electronegativity is the trending, that this will be increases in the left to right in a periodic table, that is the periods, and in the horizontal, in the vertical columns, that are the groups. So groups and periods will increase or decrease on the basis of the different trend. We know that the electronegativity is a factor that, as the explained by the electronegativity or the electron affinity and the shielding effect, as this increases across the groups and from the top to from the left to right in a period. So if we talk about the second period elements, the lithium, barium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and the fluorine, here is a scale that represents the electronegativity of the each element in the periodic table. On this scale, that is distinguishable standard are the scale for the considering the electronegativity of the each element. So the fluorine is the most important atom that has the highest electronegativity value, that is the 4 in the periodic table. So it will becomes the more and more in the periodic table when we move towards the left to right in a periods. Across the group, what will be happens that as we know, the size of the atom will increases as in the electron affinity and the shielding effect. The same factors will cause the same effect of the electronegativity. Electronegativity value will be decreases due to increasement of the size and the less attraction between the nucleus and the last outermost shell of the periodic table. So the electronegativity values will be decreases considerably. So this will make the atoms moves towards the groups. As we move from the top to bottom, here will be the decrease in the electronegativity, and this will cause the scale that is called the that was assigned by the electronegativity scale. And here is the fluorine. Fluorine halogen family is taken from that is the 17th group of the elements. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine and the iodine. The electronegativity values are the comparable. We can see that the fluorine has a highest value, that is a 4, and iodine has a least value, that is the 2.7. I hope you are enjoying my videos, and never forget to like, share, subscribe my videos, and be happy, live